Ever wonder why more businesses are installing EV charging stations? Well, it's not just about keeping up with the latest trend. It's about attracting more customers, creating new revenue opportunities, and preparing your property for the future. As electric vehicles become more common on Philippine roads, the demand for convenient charging locations continues to grow. Whether you own a mall, hotel, condominium, office building, restaurant, hospital, university, tourist destination, or gas station, installing EV chargers can be a smart long-term investment. Here's why. No matter what type of property you manage, EV charging can add value to your business. It offers convenience for EV owners while helping your property stand out in an increasingly competitive market. As more people switch to electric vehicles, having charging stations can become an advantage that customers actively look for. EV drivers often spend time at nearby businesses while their vehicles are charging. That means more visitors, longer stays, and greater opportunities for customers to shop, dine, work, or use your services. Instead of simply stopping by, customers are more likely to explore what your business has to offer while they wait. Charging stations can create a new income stream through charging fees or by encouraging customers to spend more during their visit. They can also increase the overall value and appeal of your property, making it a more attractive destination for both customers and future tenants or partners. Electric vehicle adoption is growing every year, and charging infrastructure is quickly becoming an expected amenity rather than just a bonus. Installing chargers today helps your property stay competitive, supports sustainability goals, and prepares your business for the transportation needs of tomorrow. Whether you're looking to enhance your existing property or explore opportunities in the growing EV industry, Prism Earth is here to help you take the next step. Start your EV journey with Prism Earth today. Franchise now!